What is up? It is Jordan from Buy 9 to 5 helping you say goodbye to your 9 to 5. And in just a couple of seconds, we are going to go into my bank account and I'm going to show you guys how YouTube went for me last month. They finally put the money in my account. So in just a few seconds, you're going to see how much that was for the month of May on YouTube. Remember, this was not from my Buy 9 to 5. This is from a different channel where I'm literally just reposting videos. And in a second, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I mean by that. But, you know, this blueprint has worked very, very well for me. I do have a course for how to do it if you guys want to know. But it's seriously changed my life, man. It's changed my life. It's changed some of the people in my course's life already. And it can change your life too. It's really, really simple. It doesn't cost any money at all to get started. So it's really, really nice. Really changed my life. If you notice, got a new chair. You see that little GT Ultimate thing in the background. So this is a freaking $3,000 chair. It's $3,000. I'm into sim racing a lot. You can probably see the wheel a little bit right here. But I'm really into sim racing. And so this thing actually moves. Which is really cool. So it actually moves to the track. So whenever I hit the gas, it goes back. When I hit the brake, it goes forward. If I'm going over bumps and stuff, it'll bounce. It'll rotate. If you turn left or right, it'll do that. So it's really, really cool. But I had the money for it, so I figured why not get it. So it's $3,000. So just in case you're wondering about this new chair. But let's go into the bank account here and show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, so we'll move it over here. And so as you can see here, we're in my US bank account. It says hi Jordan right there, as you can see. I mean, this isn't a screenshot or anything. This is just my bank account. And so we'll take a look right down here and you will see right here. So that was today. Electronic deposit by Google. $37,231.48. It's that simple, guys, and I'm telling you, I barely spent any time on this, man. I maybe spent probably 45 minutes a day. Basically, you just schedule, 7 to 10 videos every single morning, and you schedule them to release every hour, hour and a half, something like that. Find 7 to 10 good videos, and then you just upload them, and that's what you do. And then you put ads on it, and there's a lot that goes into titles, tags, thumbnails, what videos to choose, watch time, a few hacks that I use to pretty much double my income on top of what anybody else on YouTube does. So a lot of people on YouTube will be like, oh, I don't make that much money even though I have 1 million subscribers. Well, there's a few things they're doing wrong that I have capitalized on and figured out how to kind of double my income, and that's all just from advertisements on Google, so from YouTube. So there we go, grand total, account balance, boom. Looking good. Alright, so let me jump into YouTube here and show you guys a couple of things I'm talking about. Some of you guys may have already seen this stuff, but so here's a good example, dude. So this rapid highlights guy. So you click on this.
Just wanted to give a quick.
And there was ads on it. I actually pre looked at this channel here, and I did click on this video, and it did give me an ad. So sometimes it does, sometimes it doesn't, but he definitely does have ads. I do know that. So all he's doing is doing like highlights, dude. Doing highlights from.
A quick shout out to basketball the only brain training
just doing highlights from the NBA Finals. And so I'm not sure if he actually is making these highlights. I mean, there's not really any way to know. I mean, he does have this watermark up here, but other than that, he could have took this video and then just put his watermark on it, and that would give him, it'd make it look like it was his video when it's not. And so, that's one example of somebody who's, in all of these, Highlight Factory. See, look, he's got ads on it, and all he does is either make the highlights, which it wouldn't be that hard to even make the highlights, or he just takes the highlights, downloads them or whatever from anywhere, really, from anywhere. Maybe even freaking NBA.com, I don't know. And then just put your watermark on it in a video editor, like a free video editor. It takes 2 seconds. And that's it, and he's raking in the money, as you can tell. So here's a couple others. So this guy just takes like Alex Jones videos and like Ben Shapiro, or no, this guy doesn't do Alex Jones, this guy does. So Intense5, he does like just Ben Shapiro, and that's about it. So he's just a like right-wing guy that talks on, you know, the radio and TV and stuff. And all he does is put good thumbnails, and look at how many views he's getting. Same thing with this guy, Open Mind. So I almost always do conspiracy channels when I am doing this particular blueprint, because people really search for, you know, what's new, what's hot, the new, you know, conspiracy theory or the new news that's going on. So those things have a tendency to go viral, and then once you go viral once, it kind of just blows up the channel. Basically, it only takes one video to really get it to blow up. And so I'm just trying to show you guys a couple of examples of what I'm talking about. Obviously, my course is going in a lot more detail about how to actually get all of this accomplished and end up with this freaking $37,000 in 1 month that, you know, a lot of people don't make that in a whole entire year, and I got that in 1 month working for 45 minutes a day last month. So pretty easy to do. But just as an example, so you see like this 17,000, let me pull out a calculator real quick. So out of this, you know, 17,000, 561, so 911, that's how many views he has. So I like to say, you know, if you put a decent amount of ads on it, you're looking at probably 10% of those are going to click the ad. So that's 1,756,191. So that's how many people are going to like click the ad. And then you can multiply that by 0.03. Because every time someone clicks an ad, you get around 3 cents. So he's probably made about 52,000 total on his channel. But he only posts like a video a day, every 2 days, every 3 days. I post like 7 to 10, and that's what I teach my blueprints, to post 7 or 10. So you can see, I mean, because we're posting 7 to 10 times as many videos as he is, so you can see how we're gonna make way more money than this guy is. So that's kind of why, you know, he's only made 52,000, but still 52,000 on this channel is pretty freaking good. But he's only doing 1 video a day, and we're doing, you know, 7 to 10, so you can times that by like freaking 7, and that's how much we could make. Same thing with this guy. All he does is like take Alex Jones videos, and you know, but it's all about, you know, what videos you choose, picking the right niches, and then the really important stuff is like the metadata and, you know, getting YouTube's algorithm to make you viral. And those are things that I know a lot about, and how to make good thumbnails, good tags, good titles, things that really make the algorithm of YouTube get you up the rankings, and then how to download it. And then there's a special license that you need to find the videos from in order to like not get in trouble for copyright and things like that. And so I teach you all of that stuff to see exactly how to get this done, and then how, you know, the little hacks I have to double your income based on top of what other people on YouTube are doing. I'm able to basically get, you know, almost double the amount of money that they are, and it's all from ads. But you know, the numbers don't lie. That's just a couple examples. I like to stick to ones like this, like the conspiracy theory type ones, because I already know a lot about that, so I know what people are interested in when it comes to that. But just a quick update, man. I told you guys I was going to show you how much I made, and so that's what I did. That's how much I was able to make on YouTube last month. So that's it for this video. By the way, by the way, I had that contest going on to get my YouTube and Shopify course for free if you liked and commented on the video. And shout out to SJNHWin, NYUGEN. So if you're listening to this, send me an email, moneymakermcgee3@gmail.com. And once you send me that email, I'll send you a coupon code. You'll get both of the courses for free. So congratulations to you, my dude, on winning that contest. But that's all I have for this video, guys. Hopefully this helped you out a little bit. If you're interested in learning everything you need to know, obviously I leave a couple of things out, a couple of key things that will really help you make this kind of money. I saved that for the course. So if you guys are interested, link is in the description. That's going to do it for this one, guys. I'm out. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace.